Hey there, thank you for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris, and today is the day. It is time to announce the winners of the 4th Bionicle Fanon Contest centered around the zombies of the Red Star. So we have had a very intense round of voting in the past few weeks, going directly from the preliminaries where there were over 80 entries all the way to the finalists, and huge congratulations to everybody who has made it this far. But not everyone can be the winner, and now it is time to determine the top 4 winners who will be taking home each of the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place prizes, and I cannot wait to showcase this for all of you. First of all, thank you so much for the incredibly hard work that the review team has put in to make this contest a reality. It has been a lot of work running these 4 contests in the past year, starting approximately in May, which is why right now we are going to be taking a bit of a break after this contest. The next one, which will be Toa Nadiki, will start at around the end of January. So if you want to start getting your orders in for parts and start getting your mocks together, now is the perfect time to start building, because you do have about 2 or so months to get those in. And so, without further ado, I think it's time we go down the top 4 winners. Again, they will be winning each a unique prize for the top 4 finalists. And so, we'll go over the prizes, we'll go over the winners, and let's take a look right now. Okay, so here we have the top 10 finalists for the Red Star Zombies Fanon Contest. And may I add, the results were quite surprising to me. While I may have been fairly good at predicting some of the canon contests, the Fanon contests have really given us a lot of surprises and a lot of entries out of left field, and that's why I'm incredibly excited to walk them down from 10th place to 1st place, taking a look right now. So coming in at 10th place, we have the Archive Amalgam by Yarnolj. This was a really cool looking digital entry that utilized some of the oldest LEGO pieces in terms of the tentacles sprouting out from the limbs, but ultimately did not make the cut for the top 4. Moving on to number 9, we have entry number 8, Herkonuss by Bionic Pyronicle. This started off as a digital entry and was rebuilt as a physical entry, making it one of the most impressive entries on the list build-wise, but still did not manage to make it into the final cut. Moving into number 8, we have entry number 10, Red Star Zombie Nocturn by GZB Mox. This mock reimagined Nocturn standing on his lower arms acting as legs, with his bottom half having been cut off in the battle that resulted in his death. But ultimately he did not make the final cut. Moving into number 7, we have entry number 4, Terror Tales from the Red Star, an art entry by MorganRyanArt, or Po-Koro Morgan. This reimagined multiple denizens of the Red Star in comic book format, which was a really interesting way to interpret the prompt, and certainly is one of the most unique art entries out there. And coming in at number 6, we have Red Star Lhikan by PowJump, entry number 69, which reimagined Turaga Lhikan as a shambling zombie. And coming in at 5th place, this is number 1, Red Star Zombies series Deathcharger Lhikan by Synnova. This was a really detailed reimagination of Turaga Lhikan rebuilt in a Toa-like format on the Red Star, which completely reimagines his color scheme and merges him with Makuda's Shadow Hand. But finally, it is time to go into the top 4 winners of the Bionicle Zombies of the Red Star Fanon Contest. And with that, I think it's time we do a quick overview of the prizes first. The top 4 winners will receive the following prizes. So 4th place will receive a set of 8 custom CCBS shells recolored in non-production transparent and solid blends, thankfully provided by Zion Tyros Custom Wares. These are LEGO quality replicas of official CCBS shells, and I can't wait to see how they're used in your mocks. You also will get a set of 10 custom trans-purple Bullrock eyes, also provided by Zion Tyros Custom Wares, which are perfect replicas of the original incredibly expensive and rare trans-purple eyes. In addition to that, you will also receive a set of 2 custom articulated Bionicle hands, again provided by Zion Tyros Custom Wares, which come on a sprue and can be used to providing actual fingers and thumbs to any Bionicle mock. And finally, you will also receive 4 random Kanohi from myself, the Duckbricks Custom Bionicle Store, which has recently been upgraded with a ton of new items such as Metru mask packs, resin-casted dark red pieces, and so much more. And so, our 4th place winner is an art entry, Red Star Botar entry number 9 by PowJump. This is an incredibly detailed reimagining of Botar as a zombie, following his death at the hands of the Makuta, where he made his way to the Red Star and now shambles through the corridors, waiting for an unlucky soul that he believes deserves his punishment. This is one of the most eye-catching art entries yet, and the first art entry to win one of the top places and earn a prize in a Fanon contest, so congratulations to PowJump. Moving onwards. The third place winner will not only receive the set of 8 custom CCBS shells, the 10 trans-purple Borak eyes, the 2 articulated Bionicle hands, 4 random Kanohi, but they also will receive an original Toa Mari Matoro set provided by Bionicle Iliad. This is a used set but in perfect condition, and of course his Mask of Reanimation fits the theme of this contest perfectly, and many thanks to Bionicle Iliad for providing this prize. Our third place winner is number 5 Ralik Husk of Ice by Gray 101, entry 70. But coming in at second place, in addition to all 8 custom CCBS shells, the 10 trans-purple Borak eyes, the 2 hands, the 4 Kanohi, you will also receive a special Corrupted Witch Doctor Skull, dual molded in black and transparent red by Zion Tyro's Custom Wares, which is again perfect for the spooky theme of this contest. This is an incredibly detailed custom LEGO Hero Factory or Bionicle piece, and I'm so excited to see this being used in custom builds. And for our second place pick, we have entry number 6, Hydraxon the Walking Graveyard by Jox Builds. This is an incredible digital entry which reimagines the Warden Hydraxon in zombie format, merged with some of the other souls aboard the Red Star, featuring a massive monstrosity of a character. This is one of the most detailed and unique entries, and major congratulations to Jox Builds, who has now been the finalist twice in different contests. But now it is time to move over to our first place prize. In addition to the 8 shells, the 10 Borak eyes, the 2 hands, and the 4 Kanohi, you will also be getting a prototype single color Krata donated to the contest by Roia Builds, so thank you so much for donating this. This is an incredibly rare prototype Krata, which is in a solid white color, never appearing in any official LEGO sets, making this one of the most valuable items that we've ever offered as a Fanon contest prize. And major congratulations to the winner for receiving this incredibly rare object. But in addition to this prototype Bionicle piece, you also will receive a Dark Trina by Zion Tyro's Custom Wares, a one-of-a-kind Mask of Reanimation cast in black and transparent red, perfect for the spooky theme of the contest. And finally, you also will be receiving a custom commission to produce a unique solid or transparent color mask of your choosing from my custom Bionicle store, so get thinking and I will contact you to arrange this commission. The winner of the grand prize is, well, it's the only one left. This is entry number 2, Infested Nocturn by BonkleChaser. This is actually BonkleChaser's second time winning the grand prize in a Fanon contest, the first one being the small category of the Dinosaurs of Bota Magna contest, and this win is well deserved. This is not only an incredibly well-built mock depicting the skeleton of Nocturn, but it also has some excellent displaying and background detailing, complete with a shadow and an eerie corridor for Nocturn to creep through, where 2 of his arms on one side have been converted into one massive tentacles. I cannot wait to build this physically, because also included as part of the prize is a Fanon review on the Duckbricks YouTube channel, and I am so excited to showcase this model for all of you. And I am also excited to announce that I will be doing my best to also build the second place prize, Hydraxon the Walking Graveyard, in physical format for a review on my Fanon Contests channel. Now this may come in a few months from now, it may come next year, but I will be doing my best to do a full-on Fanon review of at least this entry, if not more, on the list. And with that, we have summed up all of the winners of the Red Star Zombies Fanon Contest. Major congratulations to everybody who entered. Alright, and with that, we have summed up the top 4 winners of the Bionicle Zombies Fanon Contest. Massive thank you to everybody who participated. We had almost 250 voters, which is insane. So thank you all to everybody who voted. And of course, huge congratulations to the winners and a huge thank you to the amazing review team who took the time to make sure every single entry was all the way good to go. Congratulations to BonkleChaser for taking home the first place with those special prototype pieces and the resin masks and all of the other prizes that go along with it. And thank you all so much for participating and continuing to support these Bionicle Fanon contests. With that, we have about summed up this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And again, stay tuned for the end of January, where we'll launch the 5th Bionicle Fanon contest centered around Toa Nadiki. Thanks all, and bye for now.